Good morning, good morning. Hey, Raw family. Hope everyone is doing okay. Hope your Sunday is starting off to a good start. I had promised this Sunday that I would do a pound cake. And you guys, I'm going to do a 5-flavor pound cake. Oh, so good. All right, so let's get started with the ingredients. You will need 2 sticks of butter. You will need eggs. You will need baking powder. You will need salt. And let me give you the flavor of the extracts. You will need lemon extract. You will need coconut extract. Sorry, it's kind of faded, but this is coconut extract. You will need orange extract. You will need almond extract. And you will need pure vanilla extract. Also, you guys, did I say baking powder? Just in case I didn't, you will need baking powder. You will need flour. You will need sugar. You will need oil. And you will need milk. And also, you guys, whenever I do a pound cake, I love using a tube pan. To me, it speaks, grandma pound cake, old school. So I just love the tube pan because I like the presentation of it. And guys, you're also going to butter this and lightly flour it. So make sure you get all around the crevices and actually make sure you butter and flour the tube really well. All right, you guys, let me get to cracking some eggs and we'll get this baby rolling. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, are you ready to get started? So we can get this pound cake, this 5-flavor pound cake done and out on your table for today or either for Easter or anytime. Okay, in this bowl here, I have 2.5 cups of sugar, 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup, 1/2 cup of canola oil, and that is it. And it is very important, you guys, when you do a pound cake, beat it for at least 5 minutes. So where your pound cake can be light and fluffy, and have a nice texture. Because most of the time when you see a pound cake and it has some density at the bottom, that usually means the temperature was too high or they didn't beat it long enough. And you're also going to set your oven to 325 degrees. So I'm going to put this down, lock it, and I'm going to beat this baby for 5 minutes, and I'll come back and show you guys how it should look. All right, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I want you to see this. This is how it should look after you beat it for 5 minutes. I mean, it is actually white, a beautiful white. So make sure you cream it together for 5 minutes. Also, in this bowl here, I have 5 eggs. And we're going to add this to the mixture 1 egg at a time. All right, you guys? I'll do the first 2, and then I'll come back and we'll add the other ingredients. All right, so let's get it going. Add the first egg. You just want it to where you don't see the egg anymore. See, I'm still seeing it. Okay. Now I don't see it anymore. Okay, let's do the next one. See, you still see the egg. one more, and then I'll come back. Go. All right, you guys, I'll be back. All right, you guys, I've combined the 5 eggs, and it almost doubled in size, if you can see that. All right, let's go to the next step. In this bowl here, I have 3 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt that I sifted. But I want to give you an important step when you are doing the flour. Please spoon out your flour and level it off. Do not just stick it in the container and bring it up. I tried it, and it actually is too much flour if you do it that way. So take your measuring cup and spoon in the flour, then level it off. All right, you guys, here I have 1 cup of milk. And you guys probably know the routine. Dry, wet, dry, wet, dry, wet. All right, so we're going to get started. I usually like to do maybe 2 tablespoons of flour. Then we'll just beat it a little if I don't get a flour bath. All right, I'm going to repeat this process probably about 3 times. Then I'll bring you guys back. All right, we did the flour. I just want to show you, we did the flour. Now we're going to add a little milk. All right, I will be right back. Okay, you guys, the last step is to add the extracts. And it's a teaspoon each of each extract. And I just put it in this bowl because last time I did it, I couldn't remember what extracts I had added. So the extracts I am using again is almond, coconut, orange, lemon, and vanilla. So we're just going to pour all of those in. Now it's a teaspoon each, okay, you guys? And you're going to give it a nice whipping. First, let's do it this way. Now let's turn this baby up. I'm not going to beat it long. Just going to aerate it. We're done. Now we're going to pour it in the tube pan. And let me show you guys how I floured it. This is how I floured the tube pan, wanting to make sure that I get up around the tube so your cake won't stick. So I just use softened butter and maybe a tablespoon of flour, and I just went around, and make sure you knock off the excess flour. All right, you guys, this cake is going to bake 1 hour and 30 minutes. Again, with any cake, it depends on your oven. So my oven is usually around 1 hour and 20 minutes, but I'm going to say 1 hour and 30. But I will come back and let you guys know the exact time it took. All right, you can relax now for about 1 hour and a half. All right. Okay, you guys, here is the finished pound cake. It took approximately 1 hour and about 18 minutes for this to get done. It is so beautiful, you guys. And I know you guys think that this is it. No, no, no. We're going to elevate this baby. I'm going to let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm going to turn it over, turn it out of the pan. And then I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Awesome. We're almost done. All right, you guys, hang tight. All right, you guys, we have another step for this beautiful 5-flavor pound cake. In this small saucepan here, I have 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and a pinch of salt, and the 5 extracts that I used in the cake, which are coconut, orange, lemon, almond, and vanilla. And we're just going to let this get nice and bubbly. And then we're going to pour it. Not pour it. We're going to take a brush and brush it on. And you guys, this flavor is going to soak into the pound cake. Not only will you have flavor on the inside, you guys, you'll have flavor on the outside. And it will make it so moist and delicious. So I'm going to get this going. I'll come back and I'll show you how I put it on the cake. And the pound cake came out beautiful, which I will show you guys. All right, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, here we go. Let me show you this beautiful pound cake. Wow, is that gorgeous or what? All right, we're just going to take this mixture, and we're going to soak it while it's hot. You're going to do this all around. Now, you guys, this cake I will not be able to cut, but I did make a small one. So I'm going to eat that and let you guys actually see it. But all of this is just going to soak into this pound cake. And it is going to be so yummy. All right, let me finish this up. I'll come back and I will show you the final presentation. You see how it's soaking in? And trust me, you guys, it will not be too sweet. I hate over sweet cakes of any kind. So this will not make it sweeter. It just gives it an intense flavor. All right, you guys. I will be back with the finished product. Okay, Royal Family, this is the finished product of the 5-flavor pound cake. And all I did, I took some strawberries and I sliced them up and I filled the hole in the middle, and then I poured the glaze on top of the strawberries. Oh my Lord. You guys, I wish I could cut this, but this is an order that a lady requested. So of course I can't cut her cake. But anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. And Mrs. O's channel is steady climbing. And I want to thank you guys for that. Also, please share and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you have not. Please check me out on Facebook at Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service LLC, and Twitter and Instagram at Kingdom Barbecue Catering. God bless you, and until we meet again, have a great week.